Now we will study about formation of meniscus in liquids contained in narrow vessels. Normally, a liquid contained in a vessel should have flat exposed surface like this. But when we place a liquid in a test tube, then it is observed that the exposed surface is curved either inward or outward. Why? We will read this. Okay, at first we need to know what is meniscus. The formation of curved surface by the exposed surface of a liquid contained in a narrow vessel is called meniscus. That means the formation, not the formation of flat surface, but the formation of curved exposed surface is called meniscus. Okay, so two types of meniscus are there. One is convex meniscus and one is concave meniscus. We know that the surface that curves towards the outside of something is known as convex surface. And what is concave shape? Concave means a shape that curves inwards. Okay, so if we place mercury in a test tube, then a convex meniscus is formed. This is convex upward. Okay, that means from the upward direction it is convex. Okay, why this is happening? It is because the mercury have strong force of cohesion. That means the attraction between the mercury molecule is much greater than the attraction between the mercury and the glass particles. We know that the attraction between the similar kind of molecules is known as cohesive force, and the attraction between different kind of molecules is known as adhesive force. So in case of mercury, the as the adhesive force is much less than the cohesive force, so we can say that the molecules of mercury present near the surface are pulled inward by the other mercury molecules present, and the surface has a tendency to come inward. So to neutralize these forces, the molecules present near the surface realign themselves and takes the convex shape. Clear? But if we place water in a test tube, then a concave meniscus will be formed. Why? In this case, the attraction between two water molecules is much less than the attraction between the water molecule and the glass particles. That means in this case the adhesive force is very much greater than the cohesive force. Due to this, the molecules of the exposed surface nearer to the glass surface has a tendency to rise up along with the glass surface, but the molecules present in the middle of the exposed surface are not in contact with the glass surface, so there will be a depression in the middle, right? So due to this, a concave shape will be obtained, and then a concave meniscus is formed. Okay, clear? Now we will study about liquid pressure. So at first we need to know what is pressure. According to the definition of pressure, we know that it is F by A, that means force by area. So force per unit area is called pressure. So now what is liquid pressure? We know that all the molecules of a liquid have their continuous motion. So when a liquid is placed in a vessel, then it will move randomly in all direction in the vessel. In doing so, all molecules will strike the sides of the vessel with a particular force, is not it? This force exerted per unit area on the sides of the vessel is known as liquid pressure. Clear? In the same way, we can discuss the gas pressure also, is not it?